Chris, what's your role here at Kawneer?
Hi, my name is Chris Giovannielli, Director of Global Product Management, responsible for a team of product managers that kind of oversee the products for North America and look at what the strategy is for the organization going forward. And so they do a lot of work with our customers and architects.
And how did you get started in the industry?
My mom and dad owned a glass and metal company in New Jersey, where I'm originally from. And so I kind of grew up in the industry, working out in the field and eventually moving into the office. And then kind of develop leadership skills and project management skills that allowed me to kind of grow from there into this role.
Can you explain the process of developing a new product or enhancing one?
We look at new product development in stages and really focus on what an architect is looking at for the future. And it may be around climate, it may be around designs of buildings, it may be aesthetic features. And so we really look at, the design criteria that architects put out. And then we follow that strategy and develop a product platform that kind of outlines what those expectations are.
What product that Kawneer offers is your most favorite?
One that I was involved with from the early stages is our 2500 UT, which is our unitized curtain wall solution. It's been one that's been around for a number of years and it's really developed to be the brand for unitized solutions for our Kawneer customers. And it's been on a lot of large monumental type projects in North America.
And how does Kawneer stay ahead of industry trends?
For us, it's really being part of industry events and symposiums where we can participate and listen to the architect, understanding what building codes are going to look like in the future, and really develop strategies around legislation, building code, and the architectural design community.
How do you incorporate customer feedback?
We come up with an initial design and then we get their feedback. We work with the architect, we work with the customer, really depending on, what the enhancement or qualification is, we get their feedback. And they're an innovative process that helps us in the development and enhancement of what we may have or what we may come out in the future.
And what do you enjoy most about working at Kawneer?
For me, working at Kawneer, the benefits have been the ability to travel throughout North America as well as Europe, and just seeing and understanding our customers, the architects, what their design influences are, and really putting that onto our product management team and really coming up with designs that meet what the architects are looking for in the future.
And when you're not here at Kawneer, where could we find you?
Well, for me, we're a tennis family, so it's either my kids, my wife, or myself are out playing tennis. And if we're not doing that, we spend some time together walking the dog to try to figure out and understand how each other's day was and get some exercise with the dog.
And what's your favorite way to start your day here at Kawneer?
For me, it's really, I come in the morning and kind of put together a prioritization list, and I still write it down on a piece of paper and check it off throughout the day, and I prioritize 1, 2, 3 and try to manage that and finish off the day with those priorities that I've listed out in the morning.